The question says that the sides of the equilateral triangle are given in cm. Find x and y, and also find the perimeter of the triangle. So for an equilateral triangle, side AB is equal to side BC, and this is also equal to side AC. So with this understanding, we can be able to solve this question. So we have that AB is equal to BC. So therefore, this becomes 3x plus 2 is equal to y plus 3. Also, we have it that BC is equal to AC. So this becomes y plus 3 is equal to 2y plus x. So from here, we can have that this becomes 3x minus y equal to 3 minus 2. If we move 2 to the right-hand side, I will move y to the left-hand side. So the equation now reduces to 3x minus y is equal to 1. So this becomes 3 equal to 2y minus y plus x. So this equation here can be written as x plus y is equal to 3. So now we can be able to solve the two equations simultaneously, where we have that 3x minus y equal to 1 is equation 1, and also x plus y equal to 3 is equation 2. So let's solve the two equations simultaneously. Now, if we add equation 1 and 2, we have it that 3x plus s is 4x minus y plus y is equal to 0. So this y will cancel out. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So to obtain the value of s, we divide both sides by 4. So we have that 4 can cancel out 4. At the left hand side, we have x equal to, also 4 cancel out 4, we are left with 1. So s is equal to 1. Now we can substitute the value of x into equation 1 or equation 2 to obtain the value of y. So we have it that x plus y is equal to 3. Well, the value of s is given as 1, so we have 1 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 1. So y is equal to 2. So we are able to obtain the value of x to be equal to 1, and we obtain the value of y to be equal to 2. Now let's obtain the perimeter of the triangle. So recall that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So for AB, we have it that this is 3x plus 2, and this is 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2. 3 times 1 is 1, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Also, for BC, we have it that this is equal to y plus 3. So y is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Also, we have that AC is equal to 2y plus x. So y is equal to 2. So we have 2 multiplied by 2 plus s is equal to 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is true that AB is equal to BC and BC is equal to AC. Now, the perimeter of a triangle is given as side AB plus side BC plus side AC. So this should be equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5. Thus, perimeter is equal to 15 cm. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.